What if I told you that you can create cinematic AI videos that look like movies without any payment? No subscription, no watermark, no complicated editing skills, just your idea and few clicks. Sounds fake, right? That's exactly what I thought too. But let's be real, almost every AI tool today pull the same trick. They show you amazing results that get you excited and suddenly upgrade to Pro. Buy credit, payment required. And just like that, your creativity locked behind a paywall. As a content creator, I have been there. You find a tool that looks so perfect. You imagine all the videos you are going to create. You start testing it. And after 2 or 3 generations, boom, you are stuck. No more free access, no more experimenting, nothing. And that's frustrating, especially when you try to grow on YouTube or build something from scratch. So I decided to do something different. I spent hours, literally hours, testing AI videos tools, clicking every button, trying every prompt, breaking things, comparing results, and honestly, most of them failed. And then I started finding the hidden gems, tools that gives you real value, tools that don't block you after one or multiple trials, tools that actually let you create. And today, I'm going to be showing you just 5 of the best free AI videos tools you can start using immediately. Some are completely unlimited, others give you free access to create consistently, and together these are powerful enough to build an entire content business. Let's start with something simple but powerful, a platform called Ggen AI. This is the right spelling in case I'm not pronouncing it well. First step, just go to Google and search for it. Open the official site and immediately you will notice something. The layout is clean, no confusion, no complicated setup. Use it directly in your browser or download the app. So whether you're using your phone or PC, you are covered. Now when you enter the dashboard, you will see something very important, templates, a lot of them. And these are not random template samples. These are actual videos people have created using the tool. We're talking about smooth animations, clear visuals, professional feel, and that's the crazy part. These are generated in minutes. To start, you need to create an account. Once you do that, you will have access to the credits. Each video uses small amount of credits, but here's the interesting part. Your credits can refresh over time. So if you stay active, you can keep credits regularly. You can just play around the site and you see how good it is. The next AI tool is called the Ver AI. This is how it's spelled. It's more like a full creative studio. Again, let's go to Google, search for it, open this official site. Now here's something important. This platform offers a free plan. You don't need to enter your card. That alone makes it worth testing. Once you sign up, you enter a clean dashboard. And this tool works across multiple niches. You can create a finance video, documentary scene, animation clip. And now one thing to note, this tool focuses more on visuals, so videos don't come with audios. But for content creation, it is very powerful. Great quality visuals, just missing sound. Now the third one is called the Queen AI. This is how it's spelled. These two used to be not great. Let's be honest, the quality wasn't impressive. But recently it's changed completely. Now when you open it, you will both see image and video options. Click on the video generation, log in, and you're ready. Now type your prompt, anything you want. Click generate and watch what happens. The speed is fast. And when the video is ready, you will notice something immediately. It has sound. Yes, audio. No watermark, no street limits. This makes it perfect for short stories, YouTube shorts, and viral clips. For me, now this is a 10 over 10 because getting free videos plus audio is rare.
Oh, look, he shines so kind, so high. The stars remember what time forgets.
This is the next tool. Now we are moving to something more advanced. This is where things start looking cinematic. With this tool, you can create talking avatars, lip sync audios or videos. Now, yes, it starts with limited credits, but there's a way around it. You can check in daily for more credits or install it on your PC for extended use. Once you generate your video, the difference is clear. Better movement, better realism, better storytelling. And yes, it includes audio. This is perfect for Faceless YouTube channels, story narration, emotional videos. I rate it a 9 over 10 only because of the credit system. The Arena AI, the most powerful tool on this list. This is one of the difference. It gives you access to multiple AI models in one place. Models that are usually paid, but you can test them for free. Just sign up, enter your prompt, select video, and generate. Here's the crazy part. It creates 2 videos at once and the quality is next level. Some videos include dialogue, sound effects, neutral motions. It feels like a movie scene. You can also generate image here, high quality, professional level. These two can help you build story channel, animation content, viral short, documentary videos. Now here's my thought. No single tool is perfect. Some are better for images and some are better for animations. Some are better for storytelling, but together they are powerful. You can combine them, use one for image, use another for animations, another for voiceover and storytelling, and build something incredible, all without spending money. If you have questions about prompts, about tools, drop them in the comment section. I will reply and help you out. And if this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it, because I'll keep bringing more tools to you, more strategies, and more ways to grow.